Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus with chickpeas. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, rinsed well, plus 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Also, have 1/4 cup of tahini and 1 small clove of garlic ready. These simple components are the foundation for delicious, creamy hummus. For the smoothest hummus, consider removing the skins from your chickpeas, though it's optional. Next, in your food processor, combine the tahini and lemon juice. Add the minced garlic and a pinch of salt. Process these ingredients for about 1 minute until they become a light, creamy paste. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect texture. Now, add your chickpeas to the food processor with the tahini mixture. Begin blending, pausing to scrape down the sides of the bowl. While blending, slowly drizzle in 2 to 4 tablespoons of cold water or ice water. This helps create an incredibly light and airy texture. Keep blending until your hummus is wonderfully smooth and creamy. Finally, taste your freshly made hummus and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a bit more salt or a squeeze of extra lemon juice. Serve your hummus with a generous drizzle of good olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika. A garnish of fresh parsley or a few whole chickpeas adds a nice touch. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.